The science and technology of establishing and maintaining forest stands that have value to people. So silviculture is forest management at the stand level. And effective silviculture relies on knowledge, both science and indigenous knowledge. And what I mean by indigenous knowledge here is in the broader classical sense, knowledge of the land. Right? I mean, a lot of the most successful silviculture that has ever existed has existed in the absence of modern science, right, over millennia. And what I mean by indigenous is not necessarily property of indigenous or Aboriginal people, in the sense that anybody that works long enough and pays attention long enough in a given locality can develop indigenous knowledge. And then, of course, silviculture is not a science, it's an applied science, so there's a fair amount of messy, muddy trial and error associated with it.